Hello, please take out lesson 4.10, graph the neighborhood, pages 99 and 100. Today you will need crayons to complete your graphs. So let's begin. We're going to look at the picture and we're going to count the items and then color in the graph to represent each of the items. So the first thing they want us to count are police cars. So I need to look at the graph, the picture rather, and count how many police cars there are. So I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 police cars. Double checking that I haven't missed any. Alright, so now I'm going to go to my graph. I'm going to start at the bottom by the key. Here's the police car, and I'm going to color in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There were 5 police cars, and I've colored in 5 blocks to represent the 5 cars that I counted. Now I'm going to do the ambulance. So I'm going to count the ambulances in the picture. 1, 2, 3 is how many ambulances I count. Double checking that I haven't missed any. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and graph 3. So 1, 2, 3. Finally, I need to count and graph the fire trucks. I'm going to change to a different color. For the fire trucks, I see 1 here and 1 here, and that is all the fire trucks. So there are 2. 1, 2. I have 5 police cars, 3 ambulances, and 2 fire trucks. All right, let's flip our page over and work on the back side. On the back, they have given us a graph, and we just have to count how many there are and write the correct number. So I'm going to switch to my pencil for this. And I'm going to count each column and write the correct number. So for this one, there are 3. 1, 2, 3. So I need to write the number 3 on the line below. For the red, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to write number 5. For the light blue, there's just 1, easy. For the dark blue, there are 1, 2, 3, 4. Writing the number 4. And then finally, for the greenish aqua color, there are 1, 2. So I need to make the number 2. So I have written down the number of blocks colored in each column. 3, 5, 1, 4, and 2. That's all we need to do for today. So, good job.